Hi, my name is Rodrigo, and in this video today, we're going to be talking about a set of very high demand certifications in the Agile world, the SAFe certifications. We're going to be talking about the 13 certifications that you have available now. What's the correct path for you to follow if you want to pursue one of them? So if you like this content, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything in the future. Let's go! If you or your organization are looking for a better and more efficient project delivery, a reduced time to market, or a way to provide a better stakeholder value, probably one of the Scaled Agile Framework certifications is for you. And that's why earning one of the 13 SAFe certifications, depending on the role that you play in your organization, demonstrates that you have the skills and knowledge to help your organization to manage projects with a higher degree of agility. Earning a SAFe certification is not necessarily a straightforward path. You're gonna need, of course, depends on your organization's need, the maturity with SAFe, in the role that you'll be playing. There is a couple of pre-requirements that you need to follow before you are eligible to take the exam. And you cannot go there, just study by yourself and take the exam and earn the certification. It's not the way it works. The way it works is that you need to select the course that you need to take, depends on the certification that you want to get. Of course, go through that course, consume all the material, and then you can get a test. And if you succeed, if you pass on that test, you're gonna be earning your certifications. And what I'm going to like to do today is to split the 13 certifications into 3 different categories. 5 of those 13 certifications are foundational level. Other 5 are an intermediate level, and the remaining 3 are the advanced level. The first certification is the SAFe Agile Product Manager. Of course, this person needs to have an experience as a product manager, how to bring a product to market. This one is best suited for those that will be playing role as a product manager, of course, or an agile coach or an agile trainer, because this 60-question exam will require a lot of familiarity with agile principles and practices. And it is geared towards the candidate's ability to heavily use design thinking on how to improve, how to innovate the usage of value stream, how to identify market needs and react to it. So everything related to product management and agility. The second one is the SAFeagilist. Although this one is in the set of foundational level, it requires at least 5 years of experience as a product or a project manager or a software developer or testing or business analysis. And it's best suited for, of course, all those roles that I've already mentioned, and also the release train engineer. This 45-question exam will test your ability to apply SAFe in how to scale agile and lean development, how to apply SAFe to change, to adjust the agile and lean mindset, how to plan, how to execute programs increments, and how to deliver through an ART, the agile release train, and of course, among more other knowledge. The third one is another 45-question exam. It's the SAFe DevOps Practitioner. This one is best suited for those that are responsible to improve the flow of the project delivery. The developers, the business analysts, the architects, among many others. This one will test your ability on how to explore the user needs, on how to make architectural considerations, how to support SAFe DevOps transformations, and among many other topics. Fourth one is the SAFe Government Practitioner. And as the name already suggests, this one is more focused for those that want to apply the SAFe principles and practices to a government agency. This one will test your ability throughout this 45-question exam on how to apply lean, agile, and DevOps principles and practices into traditional government organizations and culture, but also on how to adapt technology strategy, budget, among others, using emerging government guidelines, but also how to organize government programs into ART, the Agile Release Trains, and executing program increments, even in remote environments with distributed teams. And also how to build an action plan to begin to accelerate a safe implementation in your program agency. We know this is a very specific one, but it's so nice to see that SAFe is also, the SAFe framework can be also be adapted to a government reality that we know that can be very different from a private organizations. The fifth one and the last one from that foundational level set is the SAFe product owner, product manager. And of course, as the name already suggests, those are the roles that best suited to get and pursue this certification. Because throughout the 45 question exam, you would be tested on how to write stories, how to write epics, how to identify user needs and react to that. And of course, everything related to this type of two roles. And the sixth one, but the first from the intermediate level set, is the SAFe Agile Software Engineer. So this one more suited for those with very technical roles on the implementation. So if you have a solid background in engineering, development, managing developments, and also quality assurance, this one's for you. You can take that 60 question exam to test your ability to create agile software development plans, or to outline models for communications, and how to create code and design quality, among many other topics. The seventh one is the SAFe Architects. And this one is aimed for those with the roles of architects, solutions architects, system architects, that they are looking to become an effective leaders and a change agents. And the 60 question exam will test your ability to communicate solution context and intent. If you know how to prepare architecture runway, if you can ensure technology decisions are made within an agile release train, the ART, if you can ensure that solutions comply with portfolio technology strategy. Of course, things that you already used to do as an architect, and this certification is for you if you want to become a better leader. The next one is the SAFe Lean Portfolio Manager. This one is best suited for those with more senior roles that are involved with strategy, budgeting, how to implement a lean portfolio, because we will be tested among these topics in 45 questions. You're gonna need to show that you can coordinate budgeting, you can create strategy, you can translate lean portfolio vision into your organization strategy, everything a little bit more senior. If you play this role in your organization, or you want to pursue this role, this certification is the right one for you. And the next one is the SAFe Practitioner. This one, you're gonna need to have a very deep knowledge and be very familiar with Scrum, Kanban, XP, because if you play the role as a Scrum Master or Agile Lead, this certification is the right for you, because you need to show that you know how to plan an iteration, how you can build constant value to your clients. So this one is a 45 question exam that will cover everything related as a leader for the Agile. The next two certifications are a little bit controversial. The first one is the SAFe Scrum Master, and this is the last one from the intermediate level. And the first one of the advanced level is the SAFe Advanced Scrum Master. Both certifications are related to those that plays the role as an agile lead within an organization. The first one, the SAFe Scrum Master, being a 45 question exam, the Advanced Scrum Master being a 60 question exam. But I'm not sure, and I don't understand deeply why the SAFe framework create those tools, if this could be all involved in one single SAFe Practitioner certification. So, in case you have doubt which one's best suited for you, I recommend you to go and check on the SAFe framework website, just to make sure that you can attend the correct course, you can consume the correct material, and you're gonna get exactly what you need for your role within your organization. The 12th one is the one that I personally like the most. It's the SAFe Program Consultant. This one will be tested if you can develop a transformation plan, if you can design a safe implementation plan, and if you can assist your organization with change management process. So this one touch the whole organization, your organization as a whole, and that's why I like the most. This is a beauty of a test, and if you want to pursue these roles with your safe organization, this test is for you. And the last one is the Safe Release Train Engineer. This is a massive 60 question because you're gonna be tested in a lot of things. So if you are responsible for an end-to-end delivery within your organization, this one potentially is for you because you're gonna need to show that you can facilitate ceremonies, if you can act in a program level, if you can coach, if you can facilitate dependencies resolutions, risks resolution, everything related to the end-to-end delivery as I mentioned to you. So don't take this one lightly, this one is very tough. Guys, those are the 13 certifications that I would like to bring to you today from SAFe's framework. I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. See you next week.